Hey everyone, welcome back to another Classics or Better. I'm Travis. Today, we're going to put a new steering wheel on my 67 Camaro. Let's get after it. Hey everybody, so while I'm waiting for parts to come in on my C10, I figured let's give the Camaro some love. So today, we are going to be putting this awesome Forever Sharp steering wheel and hub kit in here to replace this old worn out, I don't know, mid-90s GT style steering wheel. And hopefully it'll make it look a whole lot nicer in here. Let's get to it. So here is all my parts from Forever Sharp steering wheels. Got the hub kit, came with all the bolts and wires, the adapters, the assembly, the horn button, steering wheel, everything. So let's give it a go. Okay y'all, so welcome to the inside of my 67 Camaro. I need to actually do like a take a look video series on this whole car before I start improving everything, but right now, since I'm waiting on parts for the 66, we are going to take the steering wheel off. So this on mine is a 7/8 socket. Then the next one we have is a 7/16. Ta-da! And our steering wheel is officially off. Alright, so surprises, surprises, my friends. So it turns out this is an I Did It steering column, which I thought it was just a GM steering column out of a different car because it's tilt wheel. Turns out I bought the wrong stuff for this. So normally I got an AO2 adapter for the Forever steering. This is too wide to go in here to grab the splines. Now what you would normally do on this is it comes with this little plunger for your horn wire here. You would fit it down this hole and it would snug through, and that actually on this would just go through right here. I don't have a horn on this car. There's just not one in there. So I'm not going to worry about it, but I'll tell you what you need to do anyway. You would have your adapter that you would put on over that. Sorry, I'm looking through the camera. Your lead wire would come through here. And then you're going to put your steering hub on there, and there'll also be a little wire for you to come through in the black. Your actual horn on the back, you connect that wire right here, and then this one you would just connect to a ground wire underneath one of the hex bolts. And then that way, if you actually have a horn, you should have some beep beep action going on. Also, it turns out that my brand new my column cover is too skinny to fit on here. You can see it has the ridge, I don't know, 1/4 inch or whatnot all the way around this. So what I did is I took the old one that was on there previously and just gave it a satin black paint job. I can fit it right over. This will fit on here just as it had before. And you're going to line up the ovals with your horn lead button. And then I am using the Forever Sharp spacer. So when you put these together, you're just going to line up your ovals and your hex bolt holes. Alright, so now you're going to want to get your main hex bolt back on here. Alright, now that you got all that on there, we're actually going to put our steering wheel and our horn on. Also, y'all, before you put on the big nut right here, that's when you can adjust this to up and down. I guess I should have said that right before I put it on. But that way you can get your steering wheel orientated perfectly up and down how you need it to. Boom, there you have it. And then again, if you actually had a horn, you know, you'd have some beep beep Hey y'all, thanks for watching another Classics or Better. As always, I very much appreciate it. Please click subscribe. And until the next time, my friends, get out there and get wrenching. Take it easy.